पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 83। फर्स्ट लाइन इन टीका। कुतस्तर्हि कार्याकार्य धियौ इत्याशंक्य आह। So the discussion is the Ved Vakyas are of two types. One that indicates some karyam, karma. Second type is what is already there, siddha artha. They just give knowledge of that. Purvapakshi was saying that those Vakyas which are karya bodhaka, only they are pramanam. Those Vakyas which are siddha artha bodhaka, they are not pramanam, because there is no karma associated with that, there is no anushtanam, anushteyatvam is not there, etc. Siddhanti said no, as long as it is ajnata jnapaka, it is pramanam. If you learn something which you otherwise did not know, as much it is true for Swargadi Vakya, so much it is also true for Vedanta Vakya, revealing this nature of Atma, Ishvara, Devata, ityadi. So, kutah tarhi karya karya dhiyau iti ashanka. Then, karya akarya buddhi, how it will be there, iti ashanka aha. Ved Vakya adhigatasya vastunah tathatve sati anushteyatva vishishtam chet anutishtati. No chet anushteyatva vishishtam na anutishtati. Siddhanti is saying. Veda Vakya adhigatasya. First, I understand it is a Veda Vakya. From that Veda Vakya, whatever thing becomes known, whatever is that vastu. Veda Vakya adhigatasya vastuna tathatve sati. It is of this nature, that I understand. If there is anushteyatva vishishta Vakya or anushteyatva vishishta vastu, he will do anushtanam, anutishtati. No chet anushteyatva vishishtam. If it has no sambandha with anushtanam, it is not anushteyatva vishishta, he will not do anushtanam. Simple. Tika. Vaidikasya arthasya abadhena. Vaidikasya arthasya abadhena. One number tippani you note. Vaid Vakyadhigatasya vastunah pramanye means pramanikatve. That pramanyam you should note there. Vaidikasya arthasya abadhena yatharthatve siddhe samihita sadhanatva vishishtam ched vastu tada kartavyam iti dhiya anutishtati. Vaidikasya arthasya abadena. Vaidika artha, when it is not contradicted, which is known, so it is yathartha. Vaidika Vakya has yatharthatvam. Yatharthatve siddhe samihita sadhanatva vishishtam ched vastu. If that vastu is samihita sadhanatva vishishta, समीहित साधनत्व विशिष्टम चेद वस्तु तदा कर्तव्यम इति धिया अनुतिष्ठति. Then it should be kartavyam, means there is something to do, because in that some sadhanatva etc. is indicated. Then kartavyam iti dhiya anutishtati, he will do anushtanam. Tachet anishta sadhanatva vishishtam. What is tat? Tachet anishta sadhanatva vishishtam. What is tat?
वैदिक वाक्य.
वेद वाक्य अधिगत वस्तु, not वेद वाक्य. वाक्य अधिगत वस्तु, if it is for अनिष्ट साधनत्व विशिष्टम तदा न कार्यम, means if that Veda Vakya says kalanjam na bhakshayet, then what you should do? There is no karyam associated with that kalanjam. Tada na karyam dhiya na karyam iti dhiya na anutishtati. So then with that understanding he will not engage in that vastu. He will not do any karma associated with that. In other words, in karya and akarya, what is to be done, there he will do something. What is not to be done, he will not do anything. Ato manat tasya anusthana ananusthana hetu karya karya dhiyau ityartha. Ato manat, therefore there is this pramanam, tasya anusthana ananusthana hetu karya karya dhiyau. To be done or not to be done, this understanding will come from whether there is anushtanam or ananushtanam. They are the hetu. Anusthana, ananusthana hetu, karya karya dhiyo. And they are attained through pramanam. Manat tasya iti yathokta meya anurodhat. So this anushteyadi vastu, in 15th Tippani, there is one Vartika given. 15 number Tippani. 15 number Tippani, Karya Karya Diyau on that Shabda. Pramanadigatau Satyam Pumso Meyanurodhataha Anushtheyo Ananushtheya Iti Paschan Matir Bhavet. First, the understanding will be through Pramana. Pramana Adigatau Satyam, he will know the Meya. Meya means Prameya. Then through that, whether it is Anushtheya or Ananushtheya, this kind of knowledge will take place later. Iti Paschat Matir Bhave. So that is what this Vakya says. Manat tasya anusthana ananusthana hetu karya karya dhiyau ityartha. Through that, karya karya buddhi will come. And then a person will understand Anushteyatva is there, so I have to do something. Ananushteyatva is there, I don't have to do anything. Tathapi Brahmano Vakyarthatvam Padarthatvam Va. Now in Veda, there are two things, Padas and Vakyas. So the question is raised now, is Veda talking about Brahma, which is a Padartha or Vakyartha? Tathapi Brahmano Vakyarthatvam Padarthatvam Va. Na Adya. Ananushteyatva iti. in Bhashya. Okay, what is the difference between Pada and Vakya? I hope you know. Vakya is Padanam Samuha, and Pada is where only Supratyaya, Ting Pratyaya there, Suptingantam Padam. In that way, that part is called Pada. Then Padasya Artha, Padartha. Then that Pada will have some meaning, Padartha. In Bhashya, second line. Ananushtheyatve Vakya Pramanatva Anupapattihi iti chet. If it is not Anushtheya Vastu, Vakya will not have Pramanatvam. Ananushtheyatve Vakya Pramanatva Anupapattihi iti chet. टीका तस्य अकार्यत्वे अपि वाक्यार्थत्वं किं न स्यात् इति आशंका. Let's say there is nothing to be done for Brahma. Means Brahma is not associated with Karya. Tasya akaryatve api vakyarthatvam kim na syat. Why Brahma cannot be artha of a Vakya? Who will say this? Siddhanti. Siddhanti will say, even if there is no Karya associated with Brahma, it still can be Vakyartha. Vakyarthatvam kim na syat. की आशंका है. नहीं अनुष्ठेये असति पदानां संहति ही उपपद्यते. If a thing is not अनुष्ठेय, नहीं अनुष्ठेये असति पदानां संहति ही उपपद्यते. So if अनुष्ठेयत्व is not there, samhati, padas will not come together. Samhati means sanghata. Pada coming together to form a vakya. Purva Pakshi saying, if nahi anushtheye asati, if a thing is not anushtheya, then it will not become vakyartha. Vakya will not have any meaning if there is nothing which indicates some anushtanam. This has been Purva Pakshi's standpoint throughout. On the other hand, अनुष्ठेये तु सति तादर्थ्येन पदानि संहन्यन्ते. If there is some anushtanam, then for the sake of that anushtanam, padani samhanyante. You can form the vakya with the help of those padas. Tikakar says, Ubhayatra asati iti chedaha. Ubhayatra asati iti chedaha. Ubhayatra means, first one was Bhashya, third line, first shabda. Ye asati is there, no? So avagraha is to be added there, which is already there in our printed books. In the handwritten books, avagrahas were not there. So to explain that it is not sati there, it is asati. Avagraha. So he says, Ubhayatra asati iti cheda. The second one is on the next page. Where it comes, we'll tell. It is actually on first line itself. Iti evam adinam anyatame asati in Bhashya. टीका द्वितीयं दूषयति. पदार्थत्वे च इति. So before that, let us see some Bhashya. पदार्थत्वे च इति। On next page itself. तत्र अनुष्ठेयनिष्ठं वाक्यं प्रमाणं भवति, इदम् अनेन एवं कर्तव्यम् इति. That vakya which is anushtheyanishtham, that vakyam is pramanam. Anushtheyanishtham vakyam pramanam bhavati, idam anena evam kartavyam iti. Natu idam anena evam iti evam prakaranam padashatanam api vakyatvam asti. If there is no kartavya bodhaka kriyapada, and if the vakya is only idam anena evam, only this much. Idam anena evam kartavyam, if it is not there, only idam anena evam. Such hundreds of padas also, if they are there, they will not have vakyatvam. They are only padas. But if there is any kartavyam, then it will become vakyam. He gives 5 of those things in the next sentence. Kuryat kriyeta kartavyam bhavet syaditi panchamam एतत् स्यात् सर्ववेदेषु नियतं विधिलक्षणम्. 10 नंबर टिप्पणी. कुर्यात् क्रियेत कर्तव्यम भवेत् स्याद् इति पंचमम. So where such things are there, कुर्यात् क्रियेत कर्तव्यम भवेत् स्यात्, and some similar. So they say vidhiling, ling, lot, tavya, and aniyar pratyaya ityadi. They all are indicative of some kartavya, something to be done. Etat syat sarva vedeshu niyatam vidhi lakshanam. In the Veda, these are definitely a vidhi vakya. Niyatam vidhi lakshanam syat. In Bhashya, iti evam adinam anyatame asati. Atah परमात्मा ईश्वरादीनाम अवाक्य प्रमाणत्वम. इति एवं आदीनाम अन्यतमे असति. अन्यतम means one of them. In those vakyas which are revealing Brahma, Paramatma Ishwaradinam, in such vakyas or in such Vedanta vakya, these things are not there. Kuryat kriyeta kartavya bhavet ityadi. It just says Tattvamasi, Ayamatma Brahma, ityadinam, iti evam adinam anyatame asati. Because these things are not there, therefore Paramatma Ishwaradi, they are avakya and they have apramanatvam. Avakya pramanatvam. They are not praman vakya. Padarthatve cha pramanantar vishayatvam. If they have padarthatvam, vakyarthatvam is refuted. Padarthatve cha, if they have padarthatvam, pramanantar vishayatvam. Then if a vastu is there and it has only padarthatvam, that vastu has to be known through another pramana. Like for example, this is pataha. I am seeing it, but I don't know it is pataha. So if somebody shows this to me, I will not know this should be called pataha. And if somebody does only shabda vyavahara, patamanaya, and I don't know what is pataha, what will I do? Nothing. Ghata manaya, I don't know what is ghata. So ghata should have been known through another pramana first. Then I can use, somebody can use that vakya and I will understand what it is. So if it is a padartha, means padasya artha, it will be pramanantar vishayam. According to Purvapakshi, all padarthas will have Shabda Pravritti Nimitta. All padarthas will have Shabda Pravritti Nimitta. According to Nyaya, everything is Prameya. Correct?
Yes, sir. Yes, Swamiji.
So they accept everything as Prameya only. Because it is Prameya, it has to have Pramanantar Vishayatvam. It will be known through some other Pramanam also. Then you use Shabda. Tika. Brahmanah Shastrarthatvam Etat iti uchyate. This is the Shastrarthatvam of Brahma. Means this is how Brahma is understood by Vedantins. Brahma is understood only through Vedas. Vedanta Pratipadyam or Shastra Pratipadyatvam is there in Brahma. Brahma is not known through any other Pramana. Pramanantar Vishayam. We also say that. Therefore, he says, such thing, because it is not known through Pramanantar Vishaya, it cannot be Padartha. And because it doesn't have Kriyat, Kuryat, Kriyet, Juhuyat, ityadi, therefore it will not be Vakya also. Vakyartha. Ato asat etat iti chet. Therefore, this will become asat. Brahma. Therefore, you cannot use it in any upasana saying that there is some such thing called Brahma. It will give phalam because it is Vedavakya. That's all. So this is, you see how they have analyzed and they have come to this conclusion. Purvamimamsaka, they have their own thinking. Every darshana has their thinking. Accordingly, that they use every conclusions. Ato asadetat iti chet na. Siddhanti says no. Tika. Karya अस्पृष्टे अर्थे वाक्य प्रामाण्यम दृष्टांतेन साधयति. We can have a vakya which is untouched by karya and still it can be pramanam, that is revealed by a drishtanta. Karya अस्पृष्टे अर्थे वाक्यस्य प्रामाण्यम दृष्टांतेन साधयति. He gives दृष्टांत. न अस्ति मेरुः वर्ण चतुष्टय उपेत इति एवं आदौ अननुष्ठेये अपि वाक्य दर्शनात्. अस्ति मेरुः वर्ण चतुष्टयोपेत. If somebody gives this knowledge that there is Meru Parvata which is Varna Chatushtaya Upeta. It has 4 Varnas, 4 colored. Meru Parvat. When you hear that, in that, is there any Anushtanam? Anything to be done? No. But Jnanam takes place? Yes. Iti evam adau ananushtheye api vakya darshanat. Vakya means vakyartham is there. Jnanam is also taking place. Tika. Shukla Krishna Lohita Mishra Lakshanam Varna Chatushtayam Tad Vishishto Meruhu Asti Ityadi Prayoge Mervada Vakarye api Samyak hi Darshanat Tattvamasi Vakyadapi Karyas Prishte Brahmani Samyak Jnana Siddhir Ityartha. Shukla Krishna Lohita Mishra. 4 kind of varnas one can mention. Shukla Varna is there, Krishna, Lohita means white, black, red and mixed. Varna Chatushtayam Tad Vishishto Meruhu Parvataha Asti Ityadi Prayoge. In such Vakya Prayoga Meru Adau Akarya Api. In Meru Ada Adi there is no karyam that is there. Saptadvipa Vasumati, you don't have to do anything. Akarya api samyak dhi darshanat, samyak jnanam takes place. Tattvamasyaadi vakyadapi karya asprushte brahmani samyak jnana siddhirityartha. In the same way, through Tattvamasyaadi vakya also, Tattvamasi vakyadapi, Brahma which is karya asprishta, untouched by the karya, samyak jnana siddhi will happen. दृष्टान्ते अपि कार्यधिः एव वाक्यादुदेति इति आशंक्य आह आशंक्याः दीर्घ आशंक्या you have to make it is आशंक्य दृष्टान्ते अपि कार्यधिः एव वाक्यादुदेति. In दृष्टान्त also कार्य ज्ञानम will take place through vakya udeti iti ashankya. Means somebody says drishtanta was of that Meru. In that Meru Parvata, when I hear it is Varna Chatushta, maybe something else you are trying to tell me that I have to do something. One might have this idea. Siddhanti says no. Nacha Merur Varna Chatushtayo Peta iti eva Madi Vakya Shravane Mervadau Anushtheyatva Buddhir Utpadyate. Meru Varna Chatushta Upeta, listening to that, Mervadav Anushtheyatva Buddhi na Utpadyate. That is not right. It will not happen. Tatha टीका ननु तत्र क्रियापदाधीना पदसंहतिर्युक्ता वेदांतेषु पुनः तदभावात् पदसंहति अयोगात् कुतो वाक्य प्रमाणकत्वं ब्रह्मणः संभवति तत्र आह. ननु तत्र क्रियापद अधीना पद संहति ही युक्ता. Associated with some kriyapada, pada sanghata means set of padas coming together to form a vakya that is appropriate in that drishtanta. Vedanteshu punaha tadabhavat pada samhati ayogat kuto vakya pramanakatvam brahmanaha sambhavati. Purvapakshi says, in Vedanta, tadabhavat, tad means kriyapad adhina pada samhati is not there. Kriyapad adhina means every pada actually connects with kriyapada, directly or indirectly. That is called kriyapada adhina pada samhati. In Vedanta, such thing is not there, because that kriyapada actually doesn't have any kriya. Vedanteshu punas tadabhavat pada samhati ayogat. Then there is no vakyatva itself. How you will say vakya pramanakatvam brahmanaha sambhavati? Brahmanaha vakya pramanakatvam means Brahma will be vakya pramanakaha. Vakyam pramanam yasmin tad brahma vakya pramanakam. Vakya pramanakam brahma napumsaklim. संभवति तत्राह तथा अस्तिपद सहितानां परमात्म ईश्वरादि प्रतिपादक वाक्य पदानां विशेषण विशेष्य भावेन संहति ही केन वार्यते. These vakyas where if you can have asti pada, परमात्मा अस्ति, ब्रह्म अस्ति, सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम ब्रह्म अस्ति, if you do so, परमात्मा ईश्वर etc. प्रतिपादक वाक्य, परमात्मा ईश्वर आदि प्रतिपादक वाक्य पदानाम, those padas, विशेषण विशेष्य भावेन संहति is possible. सत्यम ज्ञानम अनंतम can become विशेषण, Brahma will be Visheshya. So Padasang means that is not how we understand, but for Vachyartha you can understand that Vakya in this way. Visheshan Visheshya Rupa Samhati, so it is possible Visheshan Visheshya Bhavane Samhati Kena Varyate, means Na Varyate. In other words, such Vakyatvam can come. All this is explained in our English Tika 343 to 346, page number 343 to 346. This whole dialogue is there. Further, Vimatam aphalam siddhartha jnanatvat sammatavat iti anumanat tatvamadehe siddharthasya ayuktam manatvam. Iti shankate. So anumanam is given. Vimatam aphalam. Vimatam means this Vedanta Vakyam, Brahma Jnanam. Brahma Jnanam is Nishphalam. 13 number tippani, Brahma Jnanam is Nishphalam. Why? Because it is telling you something which is already existing. Siddhartha Jnanatvat. Sammatavat. Sammatavat means if somebody says this way, Utale ghato asti. This jnanam is aphalam because it is Siddhartha jnanam. We may say this jnanam can be used later, but later this jnanam can be used if you connect it with something else. This jnanam by itself is of no use. Then later you will have to add something else. Tasmin ghate, do something. Anaya, sthapaya, put something in it, ityadi. सम्मतवत् इति अनुमानात् तत्वमादेः सिद्धार्थस्य अयुक्तं मानत्वम्. तत्वमस्यादि वाक्य, they are talking of Siddhartha. Siddharthasya means vakyasya. Tatvamadi is a vakya. Siddho artho yasya saha siddhartha. That vakya will be siddhartham vakyam. Tasya siddharthasya vakyasya ayuktam manatvam. That vakya will not be pramanam. Iti shankate mervadi ज्ञानवत् परमात्म ज्ञाने प्रयोजन अभावात् अयुक्तम इति चेत. मेरुवादी ज्ञान is of no prayojana. Like that, Brahma Jnanam also will have no prayojanam, prayojana abhavat. Therefore, ayuktam, 5 number tippani, Siddhartha bodhakasya tattvamasyaadi vakyasya pramanyam ayuktam. Siddhartha bodhaka vakyasya apramanyam means pramanyam ayuktam. Iti chet. टीका श्रुति विरोधेन अनुमानम धुनीते. श्रुति विरोधेन, when there is श्रुति विरोध, अनुमानम धुनीते. धुनीते means nirasyati. That anumanam is negated through श्रुति विरोध. Siddhanti said, na, Brahmavid apnoti param. So, vidyate hridaya granthi iti phalashravanat. Brahmavid apnoti param. So, Brahma jnanam phalam is param prapti, means Brahma prapti. And vidyate hridaya granthi छिद्यन्ते सर्व संशयाः क्षीयन्ते चास्य कर्माणि तस्मिन् दृष्टे परावरे फल श्रवणम इज ऑल्सो देयर. ठीक है, विद्वद अनुभव विरोधाच नैवम इत्याह. इट इज नॉट सो बेस्ड ऑन विद्वद अनुभव ऑल्सो. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.